This is where we at. We're out. Some apartments back up in this area, but it's like a little trail behind the school. And I finally get a chance to come out here and have some peace and quiet. All the other parks and stuff. Well, this is not a park. It's almost like a trail almost, but it's always a lot of people. And I just wanted to come out here and get some peace. I haven't had a chance to do it. And touch some of the trees, which a lot of children, I guess the older, here he go. He getting on my nerves with this. They've been painting on the trees, putting letters and stuff. But yeah, this is what I did today. Came out here for a little bit, touching the trees. Now, these are pine trees. I don't know if you can see. And they got that kind of tree. I don't know what kind of tree that is. It's nice and peaceful back here. I feel a little uneasy though because I'm here by myself, but you never know who's watching you and you know what. Yeah, I only seen one person. That's when I was coming in and he was leaving out. But anyway, I just wanted to share this video with you guys. Hopefully you all have an amazing Saturday. Bye.